Here we are in Dunham Massey, and it is a beautiful day. I know, we're in the UK and it is not raining. So behind me is the back of Dunham Castle, and it's a house known for its beautiful garden, deer parks, and house filled with treasures and mysteries. So I'm really excited to go check it out. Dressed up for the occasion, loving that you get to wear a dress and walk in the gardens and feel like royalty. So let's go and check out. I want to say the castle, but everyone keeps telling me it's not. So the manor, the house. Let's go. This is a family day, and I am here with my beautiful niece, so she will be taking on the lead to present the next room in the Dunham Castle.
Welcome to the paper room. This is the office where the owner of the house can read books and do paper stuff with paper and write stories, because there's lots of stories here.
So imagine this being your home and being a maid here, which would mean that you would hear these bell rings every time that the homeowners need something. So we have the Stamford bedroom, the Lord Stamford morning room, the South dressing room, the blue dressing room, because you need a blue dressing room, don't you? Oh my God, this is insane. There's a paper room. I mean, when we say there's abundance in the world, there is, because I can't imagine having that many rooms. So we've just learned that the owners of this house were actually Earls, and that Earls were created by James I. It wasn't a thing before that, but he kind of wanted to share the wealth and all the richness and make friends. So he kind of created Earls, and the Earls were incredibly wealthy, as we can see. They were earning 96,000 pounds a year, which would be the equivalent of 8 million pounds today. And the silver room that we saw, we've learned that they would travel with their silver to all of the different houses and manors to kind of showcase their wealth. So this is really showing the true colors of higher society. It is really fun to learn about this history.
Hi, this is the tea room. People have tea and there's normally music here, and sometimes people come to visit, and it's also used for playing games like card game and top trumps maybe.
Also, I want to add that Jamie and I always have a debate, and I always said I wouldn't marry a earl. I would only marry a duke, but seeing how rich and wealthy earls are, I take it back.
My lady.
Put your back to the camera.
My lady, will you take my hand in marriage?
No, it's not good enough. What was that?
My lady, will you take my hand in marriage?
Me.
Would you like to take my hand?
How many estates do you own?
I have one in Hoggoff Road, and one in Canada.
Get those glasses off.
And how would I be treated? How many servers? How many rooms? How many maids?
We have 3 little girls. we have one. She usually works in the mill. We have one limping butler who serves cups of teas. Cups of teas every single day.
No, get out.
And then
This is the butler's pantry. There had to be someone in here 24/7. We've learned that when one of the bells, is that the right word? Bells? When one of the bells would ring, they would have 10 seconds to sort out which room it is and go directly to the Earl to find out what they want, what they need. It must have been a very challenging job, to say the least.
The family had gone to bed,
Oh, okay. Okay, let me...
and then from about 6 o'clock in the morning.
I got corrected. It's not 24 hours a day. It's up until the family would go to bed and then up at 6 in the morning. It's important to give the right information, so...
This is the room where they store all the food. Here you can see pheasant, rabbit, and maybe the one that are birds and closer to us, and maybe baby heron. And that's what the owners of the house eat. Hi, now we're looking for the deers in the garden. When we was looking at the video inside, we saw that all of that extension was all gone off the building and there's deers all over this courtyard. But now we're looking for the deers because they're not here. We had to be very quiet because we found some deers, literally whole herd of them, because there's about 4 and you can see them right there. 1, 2, 3, and there's a 4th somewhere, but we can't really see it because they're hiding in the grass. And some of the twigs look like them, so they're camouflaging in. So we're really glad we found some deers.
So we are finished. We've seen everything. What did we see today?
We saw deers, ducklings, and the butler, and learned stuff about the house.
What was your favorite part?
Seeing the deers and ducklings.
We had a beautiful day. It's time for us to go home, so...
Like and subscribe.
Thank you. See you guys next week.